Welcome to this in-depth review of Nelnet Bank's student loan refinance platform. Today, I'm going to walk you through my full experience with Nelnet Bank, from the application process to the actual outcome of refinancing my student loans. This is not a sponsored video, and everything you hear is based on my real interactions and opinions. Starting with the website, Nelnet Bank offers a very clean and professional interface. Navigating through the refinance options was straightforward. They clearly present the types of loans they offer, who is eligible, and what the estimated rates could be depending on your creditworthiness. I appreciated the use of plain language on most pages, which makes the experience a bit more welcoming for those new to refinancing. When I started the application, I was first asked to enter basic personal information, details about my current loans, and income. The form is relatively standard, but what stood out was the speed at which I received a rate estimate. In less than 5 minutes, I had multiple fixed and variable rate options. That said, the rates were slightly above average compared to some competitors, especially for applicants without stellar credit scores. The documentation process was smooth. Nelnet requested standard forms, like proof of income and a loan payoff statement. Uploading documents to their platform was glitch-free, but I did find their document verification process to be a bit slower than advertised. It took about 5 business days before I received final approval, even though the site mentions 2 to 3. Now, let's talk about customer support. I tested both their live chat and phone support. The chat was disappointing, responses were slow, and answers felt generic. On the other hand, their phone support was much better. The representative was knowledgeable and walked me through specific questions I had about cosigner release policies and payment options. Many useful links you can find in the description. The user dashboard after loan approval is minimal but effective. You can see your balance, upcoming payments, and interest breakdown. However, there's no mobile app, which is a significant drawback in 2025, when most users manage their finances on the go. The lack of app support is one of the biggest cons for me. I also want to touch on the flexibility of their repayment options. Nelnet does allow you to change payment dates and make extra payments without penalties, which is a plus. However, there are no unique benefits like unemployment protection or financial hardship programs, features that other lenders are beginning to offer more frequently. Security-wise, the site uses standard encryption protocols, but I did not see much information on additional security layers, such as two-factor authentication. For a financial institution, that's a concern. I would expect a more robust security setup, especially given the sensitive nature of the data involved. To sum it up, Nelnet Bank offers a functional and relatively easy-to-use platform for student loan refinancing. While the user experience is clean and professional, the rates aren't the most competitive unless you have excellent credit. The lack of a mobile app and limited repayment benefits are definite drawbacks. However, the process is reliable and straightforward, making it a decent option for those who value simplicity over features. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching.